Roberto Vallejo Ongpin, January 6, 1937, February 4, 2023, was a Filipino businessman who served as the Minister of Commerce and Industry, initially as Minister of Industry, during the Marcos administration. His younger brother Jaime served as the Minister of Finance of the Philippines under Marcos's successor, President Corazon Aquino. In the 2018 ranking by Forbes of the world's richest, Ongpin was named as the Philippines' 12th wealthiest Filipino, with a net worth $3.72 billion United States dollars. Ongpin was born on January 6, 1937. He was the second of 7 children by Luis Roa Domingo Ongpin and Lourdes Morales Vallejo Ongpin. He grew up in the neighborhood of Pinaglabanan in San Juan, which was then a suburb of the city of Manila and a part of Rizal Province. He was a great-grandson of Roman T. Ongpin, a businessman and philanthropist who aided Filipino revolutionaries against the Spanish and American colonial administrations in the Philippines. The Ongpins have been named as among the most influential and enduring families of the Philippines for their contributions to the nation's growth. Ongpin attended school through a scholarship. After graduating high school from the Ateneo de Manila, he went on to earn a Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, cum laude, from the Ateneo de Manila University in 1957. He became a Certified Public Accountant, CPA, in 1958, after which he briefly joined Philippine manufacturing company, now Procter & Gamble Philippines. In 1961, Ongpin earned his Master's of Business Administration from Harvard University. It was during his time in Harvard that he met and married his wife of 55 years, Monica Aureliano of Valparaiso, Chile. They have 2 children together, Stephen Aureliano Ongpin and Anna Aureliano Ongpin. He also has 2 other children from different mothers, Michelle Schroer Ongpin and Julian Stone Ongpin. He has 3 grandchildren. Death. Ongpin died in his sleep on Balasan Island, Polillo, Quezon, on February 4, 2023, at age 86. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 vlogs.